to the video. We're gonna play some Boxburg. And my cousin is going to join me.
Yeah. Hey guys, hey girl, hey. Welcome back to my Dylan Hazing and my channel, Hit or Miss.
Okay.
That's what I'm like all the time. It does not say you're playing. I have to add you. Get out. I have to add you.
No, it's powering 0. Okay.
Excuse me.
Let's play.
Powering.
Yep, my house is.
How many R's?
1, 2.
Powering 0.
What? Yes. Yo, select those. Yeah. Alright.
Add friend. I have to add you as a friend.
Add friend then.
Yeah, let me go and let's go to.
I'll accept it.
You
when
won't
she
find
go in
another
box.
girl and you always,
Cash
I
out.
can do this. Here you go, skirt and hit the dollar.
How do you get the B-Bucks?
Oh, you have to earn it. Don't buy.
How do you earn them? Why do
What
I
does your
have...
avatar look like?
What
does your avatar look like?
It's this guy.
Why are you guys watching? I love Coco. It's my favorite movie ever.
Coco's going on back there. Alright, let's see what we can get.
Can I?
How do I earn it? I'm gonna go get a job. You have to go on the game. Go on the game.
How? I'll see if...
Just run the game and I'll accept it. Do you have Wi-Fi?
I'm not on Wi-Fi.
Do you have our Wi-Fi?
No. I can help you make a house. I have $2,000. Mia Khalifa. Boy.
Okay.
Nope, I'm not.
Oh, hey, dude. How you doing? You're so small. What the heck?
No, he turned into a kid. He's a kid. Hit or miss. I guess they never miss.
Okay. Okay.
You got a boy.
It's really annoying.
And I bet he doesn't kiss you. Yes, it is. It's the best song.
I don't know where to get my car.
How do I join?
I'm just gonna walk around.
What's your Wi-Fi?
That's my mom.
Your who?
My mom.
Your mom's not here.
My dad did. He has Google Wi-Fi. He can get you set up. Okay, so we're doing great right now. It says up here we're doing great. Don't know what we should do. What should I do? This is boring. Alright, I'll be back in a second. What the? I bet you there's gonna be like no jobs over here. Okay, good, there's a job. Whoa, they need some help.
You're only playing for your 9 subscribers?
No.
Yes. Don't lie to me.
Wait, bro, I don't...
Go out and accept my friend.
Wait a minute. No, get in the game and I'll
You
stop.
look dope.
Oh, frick, done. Done. Yep. Okay, I'm done. What?
How do you, are you wondering how to get
I'm
done?
not done. How do I?
Okay, you go there. Go to the person. Go to the person.
Okay.
You go to work. And go to end shift. You need to leave, so go outside. Just run outside. Run away.
Wait, how do I do this? How do I give it?
Run away. Okay.
Done.
Oh. You dumb. Okay, so you click
Oh,
there. Click on that. No, this one. No, this one.
Yeah.
Done.
Done. Oh, this is easy.
Now you have $9. See?
What?
Doom.
No, how do you get these things? The
Is there
purples.
circle?
The purple.
1, 2.
Click to buy more. I need Robux to buy these things.
Alright, can you get out of your game and accept my friend request, please?
Done. Yes, just.
Don't always click on that one. See, he wants the double. That's double or deluxe.
Do I get $9 for every time I just click on something?
Yeah. Looks delicious!
Oh, hi.
Hi. He wants the fries
Oh, hi.
and the
Oh,
double burger. He wants the
hi.
fries and the double burger.
I don't want to give him my fries. Those are my fries.
Excellent!
Good day. Please give me a burger. Hey, give me this. No, because you're being greedy. Greed! The greed. Hello there. Please give me a double burger and fries. Alright. Bloxy fries. Alright. Just because you asked nicely. You're welcome.
Sitting with someone he doesn't even know.
Hey, please give me. Holy crap. What are your expectations? I don't have all this crap. Oh, wait. Maybe I do. Hey. Ahoy. Please give me a double burger and a soda. Alright, there you go, boys. Haha, I got promoted to what?
I got guns in my hand.
What do
now
I...
you have one.
How do I get
Give him
these?
the burger. You have to earn those. I don't know how to get so.
What? You jerk.
Give him the deluxe and the fry.
I don't care about
What are you guys watching?
Tasty.
Anime?
Die. Alright, let's go do something else. I'm gonna end shift.
Continue. Press continue.
Continue.
Now you cash out. Cash out.
I got a lot of money.
Can you leave now so I can join?
Yeah, I'm leaving. What? What?
That's like my face is staring at me. Alright, so you go to friend request is.
I know how to do this. I've been buying this for a while.
That's what mine look like.
What the Okay.
That's my avatar.
Let's play Boxburg.
Alright.
Actually, let's play Jailbreak.
Dab on the haters.
Okay.
Bye, haters.
This is probably like the worst video ever because it's taking 7 minutes just tapping stuff and giving them to the other people.
Except my friend playing.
What?
Finally, you're playing Boxburg. Can I live with you? Oh, that's not that creepy.
My house is called Yo. Find that.
Yo. Oh, I'm playing with you now. With Hugh. Hugh. Continue. Play. Why is it all like that? Yo! Yo. Like this music?
Alright, shut it off. What do I buy in my house?
Oh,
Look, this
my house is
This is actually what...
No, it's not. Your game is loading. Where's your,
I want to build
Are you on the bridge?
Bro.
Are you on the bridge? So zoom
Look
out.
at my crap and
Zoom out.
I have an indoor pool.
Zoom all the way out. Zoom out all the way out. Zoom all the way out.
Boy.
Zoom all the way out. Get out of build mode and zoom all the way out.
Oh, fun.
No. I'm next to you now.
What?
See what's on it now.
Frick, no, you're
Say
not.
hi, guys. Welcome back to YouTube.
Wait, how are you in day?
What?
Oh, I'm just in build mode. How do I get out of build mode? X.
Okay, can you...
X
okay,
marks
go in your...
the spot.
Okay, go back in build mode. I need you to do something for me. Go back in build mode.
3 big
Go in build mode.
boulders and a teeny little spot.
Okay, now zoom in.
Nope.
And go to decorate.
Decorate.
And go to... where is electronics? Go to electronics. Go to
Yo,
electronics.
I want to.
Now go to phone. Get a phone.
I got a phone. Where do I put that?
Now go zoom in.
I can't.
How do you zoom in on this thing?
I'll zoom out. Come over here. Zoom in. Ooh, that's
Maybe
better.
lay it on there. Here, go there. Lay somewhere. Lay anywhere. Up
What?
there. Lay it up there for right now.
Oh, I can't. I'll put it right there.
Now go here. Click on that twice. Click on that. Now exit out.
This?
Yeah,
Or
this.
back?
Okay, back.
Back.
Alright, now
Alright, how
click
about
on
you
that.
come
Click
here?
on that. Alright.
Come here. I'm actually gonna come over here.
I'm right here.
Here, I'll start a party.
Where are you?
Holy
start a party.
crap. Alright.
Start a party. Go there. Go to house. Go party.
Yes. Everybody's invited.
Block everyone else.
Where are you? Are you in my
I'm
house?
coming. I look like a kid, okay? I'm a child. I'm super small.
Get the.
Here I am.
Ah!
That's my avatar.
Ah!
Don't be judgy.
I'm so much taller than you. What do I look like in your screen?
You look weird.
Do I look giant?
Look it. Don't let her in. Close your door. Close your door.
What?
Close your door. Block her. Click on her. Interact with her.
I clicked the frick
No,
out.
her.
Oh, she's stinky. Get the frick out of my house. Get the frick out. Get
Go
the.
ahead, interact with her.
Get out of my pool.
Interact with her.
Yeah, stop moving.
Yeah.
Get it.
Lock her in. Lock her.
Ah, get out.
Close the door. Lock her in the bathroom.
She better be in my shower. I actually don't care if she's. What? Get in the shower.
She went in here. Close the door. Close the door.
Oh, shoot, you
Close the door.
Help. Get out of here. What?
There are two people.
You're so stinky. Kick out.
No, go close your door. Go close your door.
Kick
go,
out.
Go. Close your door. Close your door.
No. Okay,
Can I help you? Click on me. Click on me.
Okay, wait. Kick out.
Kick her out. Kick it down.
Get the wait, she's so stinky.
Click on her.
Get out of here. You
Make me
You stole.
interact with me. No, not me. You can just kick me out.
Oh, whoops.
Kick her out.
Yeah, that's right. Get out of here. Kick out. I'll open the door for a second. You ready?
All right.
3, 2, 1. Get in.
Get in. Close it.
Oh no.
All right.
Alright, come to my pool. Come to my pool.
Make me a roommate.
Come to my small pool.
Make me a roommate.
Come to my pool.
Make me a roommate.
Fine. You're scaring me.
Make me a roommate.
I mean it. Change permission. Roommate. Gosh. Now you can open doors. Now I'm gonna build.
Alright, can I make
Oh,
me a corner?
shoot.
Make me a corner.
They're still here.
Go in build mode. Go in build mode. Go in build mode. Just go in build mode.
Get this stink out of here.
And
Literally.
block her. Just block her. Build mode. Go in build mode and then block her.
Alright.
Make me a corner so I can make a room. I can help you.
Build. Can I build a pool? Yeah. Alright, how about we make my pool a little bit bigger? Boom. Alright, let's see.
Can you make me a corner? Please. You don't have enough money to do that.
What? How much money do I need?
I have a lot of money I can donate to you. I can
Okay.
donate you 500.
I need more than
Clothes.
500.
Interact, donate. Let me give you. You didn't have to go out.
$500.
$500.
Hump. Huffalump.
Don't spend it all on a pool though.
What
Like,
should
you want
I
to make a bedroom for me? I need a bed.
Oh yeah, I need to make a bedroom. This is your bedroom.
Alright.
How's it look?
It looks good. Okay, go to
Let me
go to decorate.
decorate.
Go to decorate. Go to lighting. Where's lighting? Go to lighting. Go to lighting. Go to lighting. Go
Do
to
I have a
lighting.
roof?
Pick this one.
I hope
Nope,
I have a
Put it
roof.
in.
How's that?
All right, that looks good. Now,
That's
now make me a floor.
delicious.
Go to build. Go to build. Go to build.
That's delicious.
Make me a floor. Floor.
That's delicious. Wait, what?
Zoom in.
Oh, frick.
That's good. That's good.
Yeet. Eat. What? Wait, what?
No, you
No,
clicked
no,
on the wrong thing.
no. Okay.
How do you add that?
Left click to generate.
Yeah.
Wait, right.
Right click. You need right click. You need to redo it. Right click.
Yeet.
Alright, now
What?
color my floor. Can I color my floor? Can I color my floor?
What color? How do I get?
Pink. So you go.
Can I change your permissions to like
Yeah.
build?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay, just for
You have
your
to
room.
get out. You have to get out. Build my
Just
room.
for your room, though.
You have to get out right now. Yeah.
Okay, guys, if you know how to play this,
All right.
Then-
Interact. Change
then
permission.
just-
change permission.
just-
Room corner. Yes. And now you have to donate 5. Here, let me donate to you. Interact. Donate 1,000. I have 1,000.
how much do you have?
I have lots. All right. Yes. Yes. Now you need to give me 1,457. Give me
One-
1,457.
Why?
Cause that's that's what you have, so that we can both build.